Hey, welcome to Twistology Cubing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Tornado V4 by X-Men Designs. And let's get ready. It's classic to use the biggest knife you got. So here it goes. Alright. So inside we got two little boxes. I assume this is the cube and this is the accessories. So cube comes in this fancy little box. It's magnetic and everything. Let's see how it feels. That feels pretty good. I like the feel of that. The magnets are strong but not too strong. So I got the lube service and they adjusted it for normal performance, so we can do more of that later. So in the accessories box we have a screwdriver for doing the magnets. We have a cube bag, the X-Man logo on it. We have a cube wipe. We have an extra center cap in case you don't like their X-Man center cap. And a bunch of tutorials and stuff. This is talking about the Tornado V4. This is the beginner method, teaching you how to solve the cube. This one is another one, possibly in Chinese, and this one is another one. Alright, so if we pull off one of the center caps, we look in there, there's a little adjustment system. Doesn't need a tool or anything. It comes with a little fold out handle, and if you turn it one way it'll adjust the tension, and if you turn the other way it'll adjust the maglev. And right now when it comes it's set to 3/3, which is half, and I like mine a little tighter, so I'll set it to 4/3, so outer one's tension, inner one's maglev, and that looks pretty good. And now I'll do that on all of them. Alright, so I adjusted all of them to my preferences, and now the magnets. So on the corners there's one magnet, on the edge pieces there are 3 magnets. The center magnet pulls the cube together, so when you get to a corner it automatically clicks over, and the edge magnets repel, so it doesn't get caught right on the edge. And also for maglev, so when it's turning it's super smooth because it's basically floating on magnets. So the corner pieces are the magnets that adjust. They screw in and out. If you screw it to the left, it will loosen your cube by putting the magnets further into the corner piece. And then if you turn them clockwise, then they'll come out closer to the other magnets and make the magnets stronger. So when it comes, it's set to the middle, and that's 1, 2, 3, so that's 3 out of 5 again. And I like mine 4, so magnet strength 4. So you only have to adjust one magnet on each corner piece, and that will adjust the rest. So there are 8 corner pieces, so I have to adjust 8 magnets. Alright, so now all the magnets are adjusted, and it feels pretty good. So in turning it, there's only one problem I see, and that's if you're a little rough with it, it will corner twist as you're moving. So it doesn't really do it on the corner unless you loosen the tension a lot, but as you're turning, like right here, it can twist while you're doing the algorithm. And also the Tornado V4 weighs 3 ounces. So the Tornado V4 by X-Men Designs, I got the Pioneer UV coating, and I don't think it's that much different grip wise from my normal 3x3, but I'll give this 4 stars. The turning's fabulous, corner cutting's great, reverse corner cutting is amazing, maglev is great, but it corner twists when you're doing algorithms. If the corner twisting on this cube was fixed, it would be definitely a 5-star cube.